Picture this, a world where plants and fish thrive together, creating a sustainable ecosystem. Welcome to the realm of aquaponics. This revolutionary blend of hydroponics and aquaculture is a testament to nature's balance. In this captivating world, plants grow twice as fast, fish flourish, all without soil or chemical fertilizers. It's a dance of life, a harmony between aquatic creatures and vegetation, unfolding in a closed-loop system. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper into the world of aquaponics. The magic of aquaponics lies in its science, a symbiotic relationship between fish and plants. Delving into the science of aquaponics, we find an elegant dance of nature, a cycle of life that thrives on mutual benefit. At the heart of this system is the fish. They are not just the vibrant, graceful creatures we see gliding through the water, but also the primary producers of nutrients for the plants. As fish consume food, they produce waste, which is rich in ammonia. Now, ammonia might not sound like plant food, but here's where the magic happens. In the aquaponics system, there's a special team of unsung heroes known as nitrifying bacteria. These bacteria transform the ammonia from the fish waste into nitrites and then into nitrates, which are ideal plant nutrients. It's like having a mini factory that takes in waste and churns out plant food. And what do the plants do with these nitrates? They absorb them, using them to grow and thrive. But that's not all. As the plants consume these nutrients, they are also doing something crucial for the fish. They are purifying the water. By absorbing the nitrates, the plants are effectively cleaning the water, making it safe for the fish to live in. So, you see, it's a beautiful cycle. The fish produce the nutrients that the plants need to grow, and the plants clean the water for the fish. It's a closed-loop system, a self-sustaining ecosystem where waste is not waste but a vital part of life. But the marvel of aquaponics is not just in its scientific precision, it's also in its practical application. This closed-loop system is incredibly water efficient. It uses less than 10% of the water used in traditional agriculture, making it a sustainable choice in a world where water conservation is increasingly important. Moreover, the system doesn't require chemical fertilizers. The fish provide all the nutrients the plants need, making the food produced healthier and the farming process less harmful to the environment. This closed-loop system not only conserves water and energy, but also nurtures life. As we journey further into the world of aquaponics, we'll see how this innovative science is transforming how we think about farming, food, and sustainability. An aquaponics system is an intricate web of life, consisting of the fish tank, the grow bed, the water pump, and the biofilter. Let's start with the fish tank. This is the heart of the aquaponics system, where fish live and produce waste. It's crucial to maintain the well-being of the fish as they are the primary source of the nutrients that feed the plants. Next, we have the grow bed. This is where the magic happens. The grow bed is where plants are cultivated, absorbing nutrients from the water, which was once fish waste. The grow bed acts like a sponge, holding the nutrient-rich water for the plants to absorb, and simultaneously filtering it to be returned to the fish tank. The water pump then comes into play. This component is like the circulatory system of an aquaponic setup. It pumps the nutrient-rich water from the fish tank to the grow bed, ensuring a constant flow of nutrients to the plants and clean water to the fish. Lastly, the often unsung hero of the system, the biofilter. This component is responsible for converting fish waste into a form that plants can absorb. It houses beneficial bacteria that break down the ammonia from fish waste into nitrites and then further into nitrates, which are an essential nutrient for plant growth. In an aquaponic system, these components work together to create a symbiotic relationship between fish and plants. The fish provide the nutrients for the plants clean the water for the fish, and the pump and biofilter ensure that this process continues smoothly, creating a sustainable and efficient system. It's a beautiful harmony of nature and technology, where waste from one component becomes a resource for another, mimicking the natural cycles found in our environment. Each component plays a crucial role, ensuring the system functions efficiently and sustainably. Without any one of these parts, the balance would be upset, and the entire system could fail. But when working in harmony, they create a green oasis where fish and plants can thrive together, showing us a glimpse into the future of sustainable agriculture. From small home setups to large-scale commercial farms, aquaponics is revolutionizing the way we grow food. Let's dive into the wonderful world of successful aquaponics. Picture this: a suburban backyard transformed into a lush green oasis, bursting with leafy greens, vibrant herbs, and succulent fruits. Meet Jane, a software engineer turned urban farmer, who has managed to turn her small backyard into a thriving aquaponics farm. Jane's story is not an isolated one. Across the globe, individuals are embracing aquaponics, turning balconies, rooftops, and backyards into productive green spaces. With minimal space and resources, these urban farmers are growing food for their families, reducing their reliance on commercially grown produce. But aquaponics isn't limited to the home setting. Let's journey to a large-scale commercial farm in the heartland of America. Here, thousands of fish and an extensive variety of crops coexist in a harmonious, symbiotic relationship. This farm is a testament to the scalability and efficiency of aquaponics, producing an abundance of food with significantly less water and land than traditional farming methods. Take a moment to marvel at the versatility of this system. From leafy greens like spinach and kale, to herbs such as basil and mint, from vibrant tomatoes to juicy strawberries, aquaponics can support a diverse range of crops. And let's not forget the fish. Species like tilapia, trout, and catfish not only contribute to the nutrient cycle but also provide a sustainable source of protein. But what's truly remarkable is the efficiency of aquaponics. Plants grow twice as fast compared to traditional soil-based farming, and because of the closed-loop water system, aquaponics uses up to 90% less water. This makes it a viable solution in areas where water is scarce or expensive. Aquaponics is not just a farming technique, it's a testament to human innovation and sustainability. As we look to the future, these success stories paint a hopeful picture of a world where farming is not just about food production, but also about conservation and sustainability. So let's continue to explore, innovate, and grow with aquaponics. Let's continue to write more success stories together. Aquaponics is more than just a farming technique, it's a step towards a healthier planet. This is not just a catchy phrase but a reality that we are beginning to embrace. Let's explore why this is so. Aquaponics is a champion when it comes to water conservation. Traditional soil-based agriculture can be quite thirsty, using up large volumes of water, much of which is lost through evaporation or runoff. In contrast, aquaponics recycles water in a closed-loop system, significantly reducing water usage. We're talking about a system that uses only around 10% of the water used in conventional farming. That's a game changer, especially in regions where water is scarce. Additionally, aquaponics eliminates the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides. In our world where chemicals often rule the roost, this is a breath of fresh air. The fish in the system produce waste, which is naturally rich in nutrients essential for plant growth. This organic fertilizer is then absorbed by the plants, negating the need for any artificial inputs. And since pests are less of a problem in this controlled environment, there's no need for harmful pesticides either. So, aquaponics not only creates a healthier ecosystem within its system, but also reduces the pollution of our water bodies from agricultural runoff, a win-win situation for all. But the benefits don't stop there. By localizing food production, aquaponics can also help reduce the carbon footprint associated with transporting food over long distances. Imagine having a fresh salad made from produce grown right in your backyard or community with 0 miles traveled. That's the potential of aquaponics. In essence, aquaponics presents a sustainable model of agriculture that aligns with our environmental goals. It conserves precious water, eliminates harmful chemicals, and reduces carbon emissions, all while providing us with fresh, nutritious food. And the best part? It's a system that works in harmony with nature, not against it. Aquaponics is our answer to sustainable food production and environmental preservation. It's not just about farming anymore, it's about creating a future where we live in harmony with our planet, and that's a future worth striving for. As we look towards the future, we need to ask ourselves, what role does aquaponics play in sustainable agriculture? The answer is as clear as the water in an aquaponics system. This remarkable union of fish and plants has the potential to redefine our approach to food production. Imagine cities where rooftops are teeming with lush gardens and basements are home to thriving fish tanks, all working together in perfect harmony. Picture rural areas where water scarcity is a thing of the past, thanks to the closed-loop water-saving nature of aquaponics. Envision a world where harmful chemical fertilizers and pesticides are obsolete, replaced by the natural symbiosis of aquatic life and vegetation. This is not just a dream, it's the future we can build with aquaponics. Aquaponics is not just an agricultural technique, it's a revolution in how we think about growing food and preserving our planet. The future is here and it's green, sustainable, and thriving.